KeylowClaw destroys OpenClaw. KeylowClaw just changed the AI agent game forever. OpenClaw has over 210,000 GitHub stars, but setting it up, total nightmare. KeylowClaw fixes all of that in under 60 seconds, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, why it matters, and what this means for running real AI agents in your business. Now, before we get into it, I want to ask you something. Have you ever tried to set up a self-hosted AI agent? You download it, then you need Docker, then something crashes, then there's a dependency error, then you need to update something, then it crashes again. Hours gone, nothing working. That is the OpenClaw experience for a lot of people, but here's what's wild. OpenClaw itself is actually incredible. It's one of the most powerful open source AI agent runtimes ever built. Over 210,000 GitHub stars. That's not a small project, that's one of the most popular AI tools on the planet. So why are people still struggling with it? Because setting it up is hard, keeping it running is hard, scaling it is hard, and that's exactly the problem KeylowClaw was built to solve. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's break this all down. First, let me tell you what OpenClaw actually is, because if you don't know, you need to. OpenClaw is a self-hosted autonomous AI agent. Think of it like having a robot that can browse the web, manage files, run tools, remember past conversations, and connect to chat platforms like Telegram and Discord. It's built on a 4-layer architecture. Layer 1, the gateway. This is how it connects to the outside world, other tools, other platforms, APIs. Layer 2, the reasoning engine. This is where the AI thinks. It decides what to do next, which tool to use, how to respond. Layer 3, the memory layer. This is huge. OpenClaw has persistent memory. It remembers things across sessions. You don't have to repeat yourself every single time you start a new conversation. Layer 4, the execution layer. This is where it actually does things, run a search, open a browser, create a file, send a message. Put all 4 together, and you have a fully autonomous AI agent that can do real work. And it just got even better. In early March 2026, OpenClaw dropped a massive update. Real-time streaming, adaptive thinking, thread-bound memory, over 40 security fixes to make it production ready. They also added an iOS app alpha, Grok search integration, an enhanced agent UI, and external secrets management for security. This is not some side project. This is serious AI infrastructure, but here's the problem. All of this power is locked behind a wall of complexity for most people. You have to self-host it. That means servers, Docker containers, manual updates, debugging crashes at 2 a.m. Most business owners don't want to do that, and they shouldn't have to. So let's talk about KeylowClaw. Now, if you want to learn how to set up AI automation workflows like this one for your own business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more leads, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. The link is in the comment and description. We've got the tools, the templates, and the community to help you implement this stuff fast. KeylowClaw is a fully managed, hosted version of OpenClaw. One click, under 60 seconds. Your agent is live, no Docker, no server setup, no manual configuration. You just go in, hit deploy, and it runs. KeylowClaw provisions your OpenClaw instance on Fly.io, which is a solid production-grade infrastructure platform, and then it handles everything on top of that. Automatic restarts if something crashes, monitoring so you know what's happening, instant model switching without touching a single line of code. You want to switch from one AI model to another, click done, no rebuilding, no reconfiguring. And here is the part that really matters for businesses. KeylowClaw gives you access to over 500 AI models through something called Keylo Gateway, 500 models. That means you can pick the best model for each job. Need fast responses, use a lightweight model. Need deep reasoning for a complex task? Swap to something more powerful, and you don't have to redeploy anything, you just switch. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this is exactly the kind of setup we'd use to run AI automation at scale. Imagine having an agent that connects to your Telegram community, answers member questions, handles onboarding, manages follow-ups, all running 24/7 without you touching it. That's what KeylowClaw makes possible. Now let me talk about the enterprise features, because this is where KeylowClaw really separates itself from self-hosted OpenClaw. Single sign-on, so if you have a team, everyone logs in securely through a central system, no shared passwords, proper access control, cron jobs. You can schedule your AI agents to run at specific times, send a daily report, run a weekly analysis, trigger an automation at exactly 9 a.m. every Monday, all automated, all hands-off, multi-platform support. Your OpenClaw agent can connect to Telegram, Discord, other platforms, and KeylowClaw manages all of those connections without you having to wire them up manually. And because it's hosted, you never have to think about updates. When OpenClaw pushes a new version, like those 40 plus security fixes, KeylowClaw handles it. You don't have to pull new code, rebuild containers, or pray that nothing breaks. For context, if you're running this yourself on a VPS or a home server, every single update is a risk. One bad config and your agent goes offline. With KeylowClaw, that's not your problem. Let me show you how this would actually work for a real business use case. Say you're running the AI Profit Boardroom. You want an AI agent that does the following things. 1, it monitors your Telegram channel 24/7 and answers common member questions about AI automation. 2, every morning at 8 a.m. it searches the web for the top 3 AI news stories and posts a summary to the community. 3, when a new member joins, it sends a personalized welcome message, shares the Getting Started guide, and checks in with them 3 days later. 4, it keeps memory of every interaction so it knows what each member has already been told. Without KeylowClaw, setting this up would take days. You'd need to host OpenClaw yourself, set up Docker, configure webhooks, write the cron jobs, connect the Telegram API, and then maintain all of it. With KeylowClaw, you deploy your instance in 60 seconds, configure your integrations through the dashboard, set your cron jobs with a few clicks, and connect Telegram in the platform UI. That's it. Your agent is running. And you didn't write a single line of infrastructure code. That's the difference. Let me talk about why this timing matters. OpenClaw just hit a massive milestone with the March 2026 update. The real-time streaming update means your agent responds as it thinks, not just at the end. Users get a much more natural, responsive experience. Instead of waiting 5 seconds for a full reply, they see it being written out in real time. Adaptive thinking means the agent adjusts how deeply it reasons based on the complexity of the task. Simple question, fast answer, complex task. It thinks harder and longer. This saves tokens and compute costs without sacrificing quality. Thread-bound memory is one of the most underrated features. It ties memory to specific conversation threads. So if you're running multiple channels or use cases, your agent doesn't mix up context between them. It knows what happened in channel A and what happened in channel B separately. And the 40 plus security fixes make this production ready. This isn't a toy anymore. Businesses can actually deploy this with confidence. KeylowClaw takes all of these updates and packages them in a way that any business can use. You don't need a DevOps engineer. You don't need to understand containers. You just need a business problem and an internet connection. Now, here's the open question I want to leave you with. As AI agents get more powerful, the barrier isn't the technology anymore. OpenClaw proves that the technology is incredible. The barrier is deployment, maintenance, and integration. Whoever solves that best wins. KeylowClaw is making a strong argument that the future of AI agents is managed, hosted platforms, not self-hosted setups that only engineers can run. And if that's true, then businesses that get on this now are going to have a massive head start. Think about what it means to have an AI agent that never sleeps, connects to every platform your customers use, remembers every interaction, and runs on 500 different models depending on what the job needs. That's not the future. That's available right now. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like KeylowClaw. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.